Hello, if you are wondering if you need to use an original Samsung charger or power adapter in order to charge your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then the answer is no. You can use any other charger as long as you can connect the USB cable to the power adapter. It should work fine. Over here I have my Xiaomi charger and it works as well. It works fine too. But in this case, as you can see, I have USB input instead of USB-C, so I had to use a different USB cable because the default USB cable that we have in the box is USB-C on both ends, so I had to use a different USB cable, but it works as well and I can charge it just like I would use an original Samsung charger or power adapter. Of course, it is still recommended to use the original power adapter made by Samsung because it is optimized properly for the device, but it is not really necessary to use exactly Samsung charger. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.